To translate a design concept into a successful product, CAD engineers must operate within a framework that manages the flow of engineering information throughout the design lifecycle. From concept design to aftermarket support, the record of the what, why, and how of the design must pass smoothly between teams that are often separated by process stage, as well as office, country, and continent. To preserve the integrity of the design intent, information must be easy to understand, capture, and exchange. Using the universal language of mathematics, PTC Mathcad removes ambiguity and makes documenting design choices easier by creating an electronic engineering notebook. Best of all, by having the documentation available with the geometry, CAD engineers can easily find and understand the details of the design intent, eliminating potential design errors while preserving essential knowledge for all engineers involved in the process. Additionally, PTC Mathcad can automatically calculate and drive parameters to update the design in the CAD system and extract and analyze existing parameters. All this makes design reviews easier by providing direct access to design intent inside the electronic engineering notebook. With PTC Mathcad, engineering knowledge and design intent can be captured and communicated across all stages of the design lifecycle. For CAD engineers, this means they can keep design details where they belong, linked to the model in the PTC Mathcad Electronic Engineering Notebook.